More fallout tonight in the investigation of seized top-secret documents from former President Trump's Florida home.
A judge allowed a list of items found in Trump's home to be made public. KCAL9 political reporter Tom Wade is here now with that list and some surprising reaction, Tom.
And Juan and Pat, some of the experts we're speaking to are pretty surprised by what they're seeing in this list. So one of the big headlines from this list of what was found by the FBI is that almost 50 folders that were marked classified, well, they were found empty.
The facts are starting to show that they were being jerked around.
Former President Trump's once loyal attorney general criticizing Mr. Trump and his team for keeping secret and top secret documents at Trump's Florida home. Barr sharply questioning Trump's claim that he declassified the documents.
If in fact he sort of stood over scores of boxes, not really knowing what was in them, and said, I hereby declassify everything in here, that would be such an abuse. Shows such recklessness that it's almost worse than taking the documents.
A federal judge in Florida ruled that a list of what was taken by agents from Mr. Trump's Mar-a-Lago home could be unsealed. The newly unsealed list reveals more than 13,000 items were seized during the FBI's search at Trump's Florida home last month. In all, the list shows Trump possessed 103 documents marked as classified. 27 that were marked top secret, secret, or confidential were found in his personal office at Mar-a-Lago. 76 were seized from his storage room. The list revealed 48 folders marked as classified that were found empty. Professor of Politics Jack Pitney.
The more we learn, the worse it looks for Trump. We're learning now that there were 48 folders of classified information that were empty. What happened to the contents? I think people in the intelligence community are very worried. They're actually more worried than they would be if there were something in those folders. What happened to them? Did they get lost? Did they get pilfered by hostile intelligence agents? This is very serious business indeed, and it looks terrible for Trump.
Responding to the new list of evidence, the former president's spokesman assailed it as a product of a smash and grab by the FBI, while Trump's son-in-law continued to downplay the stakes.
He was the president of the United States. He had the highest clearance in the world, so I don't know if this may be a paperwork issue.
A federal judge in Florida is still weighing whether to appoint a special master to review the seized documents. The Justice Department is arguing against a special master, in part because of the contents of what was found.
Some of the files described in the court filings involve human intelligence. People could be at risk because of a potential leak of information.
Former President Trump lashed out at Barr on his social media platform, calling Barr weak and pathetic. Pat, back to you.
All right. Thank you, Tom.